The Combi Sanitary Ergopack combines the functions of case erecting, case packing, and case sealing into a compact and cost-effective work cell. With approaching food regulations in mind, the Sanitary Ergopack was constructed to reduce and eliminate potential lodgment areas where undesirable microorganisms might gather. Stainless steel materials are corrosion resistant and compatible with cleaning and sanitizing chemicals. Parts of the hand packing station are readily accessible to disassemble for inspection and cleaning without the use of tools. Water-shedding surfaces are sloped and self-draining to assure that product, water, or liquids do not accumulate or pool on the equipment surfaces. Lastly, there are no hollow components used or penetrating rivets or fasteners that could harbor harmful bacteria. The hand packing process is accomplished in an ergonomic manner, greatly reducing the threat of repetitive stress injuries, minimizing product damage and corrugated and tape waste. With our patented hands-free indexing system, your operators never touch a case. While increasing your productivity up to 30% over manual hand packing, the Sanitary Ergopack helps food producers meet the highest levels of hygiene and safety. Fully customized to meet your requirements, our sanitary hand pack stations feature built-in strength, ease of maintenance, and increased productivity you can expect from all Combi equipment.